NYC. That was one of the greatest rounds ever in U.S. Women's Open history. Tell me about the great day you had.
You know what? I couldn't believe what I did on the course. I didn't try hard. I just do my best, and I played one shot at a time. And I just focused on my, body putt, and I made some putts, and I finished the round, and I got 7 under. I mean, it's an amazing day. I had a great day. All my 14 clubs working very well, and I'm very happy. And it was amazing. I mean, I couldn't believe, but you know what? I have to do one more day. I have to play one more day, so I have to, good rest. Have a good rest tonight, and then I hope to get good warm up tomorrow morning, and then just go out there and have fun. Yeah.
You had 12 putts on the front nine.
Yeah.
That must have been a great feeling to make the turn with only 12 putts.
Yeah, I mean, I had, birdie first hole and second hole, and that made me good confidence and gave me some good vibes and good feelings. So, during tournament, I had really good confidence with my putting, and especially putting speed. And I had really good putt on front nine, and then even number 10, number 11, number 12. I mean, amazing day today. I mean, I don't know how I played. It's no reason. I just do my best. That's all, and I just play one more day like today, like tomorrow. Yeah.
NYC, from the 7th hole to the 12th hole, 6-hole stretch, you had 5 birdies.
Yeah.
That was a time when almost everybody else was backing up, and you were making birdie, birdie, par, birdie, birdie, birdie. How nice does that feel?
That was an amazing feeling. I mean, like what I said, I couldn't believe what I did today, but I just trusted all my yardage number, like from my caddy, and he worked very well. He gave me like really accurate number, and I just trust that number, and I just trust my swing, just hit it hard, hit it, precisely, and then, I got a lot of, short birdie putt, and I made it. And when he gave me like some spot, or, I mean, my new caddy, he really good for leading a green. So I always like trust him when he gave me spot or, target. So, like today, I just trust him, and I, just think about, like all my speed, and then I got good results.
Last thing. You know it's not over. You know you got 18 more holes to do what you want to do. Just talk about good rest tonight and everything else, but you still need to finish the job, to do more work.
Yeah, I will not change anything tomorrow. The strategy will be the same. And then, I'm pretty sure will be a lot of pressure on myself, but I will try my best. Don't look at all the leaderboard, scoreboard, and I will try to talk with my caddy during walk, and I have to stay in the moment. I know what I have to do tonight and tomorrow, and during tournament. So I just trust myself and do my best, and I just go out there and show what I got.
NYC, go out there and have fun tomorrow.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Brittany Lincecum. Follow tourplayers.com on Twitter @tourplayers.